where the movie started, facing at a photo they've taken. Space trade flying through the skies and battles happen everywhere. I don't need any hero to save me. I don't know why the kids always crying. I've been thinking about how the captain's probably left in a wasted planet. Can you feel the spark in city light when it's started?
Oh shit. What's up, everybody? It's Chris. Longevity. We're out here. Caloosahatchee.
Is that what this is?
I'm sunburnt. I'm brown, and I do burn. Yes, I do. Damn, I am red as can be. Oh my god, dude, I am so burnt. Oh, my face hurts. Anyways, I'm getting pretty old. I got like a receding hairline almost coming up. That's called age. I'm still in my prime. So anybody watching this? Anybody watching this? So all my fans out there, all my subscribers.
How many subscribers?
I've got like 500 subscribers right now.
You have like 500.
Yeah, but listen, let me tell you a secret. When I really started trying to get subscribers, I only did it for a few days. I went from 30 to almost 500 in a couple days. You know what I mean? Because I was being proactive. I was doing giveaways. I was doing stuff. Yeah. You gotta be proactive, guys. Listen, you want to make it in this world? You can't just sit at home and talk about it. You gotta be about it. You gotta go out there and make it happen.
I'm telling you right now, your last video inside Home
Talk is cheap, baby.
That's pretty good.
Remember what I told you in the last video? You can do this too.
We just bought this.
Listen, it might not be a yacht yet. Remember, notice I said yet, because I will buy a yacht one day. But hey, we're still on the water. Are you?
Hey, let's go.
Are you on the water today? That's the real question. We've got our friends out here from Zimbabwe. Came all the way out from Eureka. Hey!
Oh my god.
I don't think they like me because I'm brown. Anyways, guys,
They make you fucking go slow way up there.
Cody, Ethan, Corey, what's up, buddy? Say hi.